The William P. Clements Jr. University Hospital third tower expansion is a 12-floor, 667,000 square foot expansion to an existing hospital building located at the UT Southwestern Medical Center in Dallas, Texas. The building features an innovative W-shaped architecture inspired by resort-style layouts. The floor plan enables a higher level of patient care, enhanced privacy and comfort, and a simplified visitor experience. The precast portion of the building is composed of 892 pieces of architectural precast wall panels and spandrels, covering nearly 88,000 square feet. All of the precast panels share the same coloration and sandblasted texture, resulting in a clean, uniform appearance. The dark colors of the curtain wall contrast against the light-colored backdrop of the precast concrete panels. These panels and curtain walls were designed in a multi-planar fashion, adding depth and character to the otherwise flat building surfaces. Another unique design feature of this project includes precast panels that have been designed to be removed and then reset. This allows for the addition or replacement of large medical equipment in the future. By maximizing the use of identical panels throughout the project, the design team was able to efficiently reuse the precast molds. Thanks to this great advantage of the precast concrete manufacturing process, impressive cost savings were achieved when compared against other construction materials.